Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is parallelism and comparison. Let us move ahead. It says the report on the gross national product, the nation's total production of goods and services, showed that the second quarter inflation was somewhat lower than our previous estimation and the saving rate slightly higher. Fine. What it says that second quarter inflation was somewhat lower than our previous estimation. All right, and the saving rate slightly higher. So look here, and part. Actually, after and before and should be parallel, right? So it says inflation was lower, it means saving rate was higher, should be the correct one. All right, so option A out. Did you get why A out? Because second quarter inflation was lower and the saving rates was higher, right? Option B says with a slightly higher saving rate, again out. Why? Because inflation was lower, saving rate was higher. That should be the correct one. Why? Because of parallelism, parallel marker, and that parallel marker is and. Fine. So before and after and it should be same. Now look at option C. It says that the saving rate is slightly higher. In correct tense, it should be not is but was. Why? Because inflation was lower, saving rate was higher, not is higher. It cannot be the parallel tense. So option C out. Option D, a slightly higher saving rate. Fine. So slightly higher saving rate. Now it should be saving rate was higher. That should be the correct one. So option E is the best option.